Another online side hustle na pwede natin pagkakitaan while working at home. Hey everyone, Jeka here. I'm sharing different online side hustles you can do from home. So if you're interested in learning more, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. In this video, I'm going to share with you another online side hustle na pwede ninyong umpisahan with a minimal investment but you can turn into a profitable income stream, and ito yung tinatawag na Amazon KDP. KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. Ito yung platform ni Amazon where they allow other sellers to create, design, and publish their books on Amazon, and then si Amazon na ang bahalang mag-print and mag-send ng books dun sa inyong mga customers. There's a growing trend where people are making thousands of dollars each month in passive income by selling books on Amazon. Alam niyo, I work as an Amazon VA for 7 years. So, ang ginagawa namin doon is tinutulungan ko yung mga sellers na maghanap ng mga physical products na pwede nilang ibenta doon sa kanilang Amazon store. Pero, hindi ko naisip na pwede pala akong magbenta ng mga books doon sa Amazon, which is ito yung tinatawag natin na Amazon KDP. So, kahit nasa Pilipinas ako, I am still selling books sa Amazon KDP. A few months ago, I discovered Amazon KDP, and last December, I decided to give it a try. So in less than 3 months, with just 23 books, I've already made this, and I've seen people making as much as $10,000 or more per month through Amazon KDP. So medyo mababa pa siya, pero possible na pwede natin siyang gawin as long-term income stream. But is this as easy as it sounds, or is there more to it? So to find out, I'm taking a challenge. I will be creating my own low content book on Amazon. So mag-set muna tayo ng rules. Yung rules na gagamitin natin is to keep things interesting. So number 1, no text inside the book. So paano ko gagawa ng book kung wala namang text? I will show you later on. Another is I will start from scratch. So I will not buy any PLR products, or I will not use any templates na gawa ng ibang creators or designers to sell my low content book. So gagawin ko siya from zero. And I must finish the book in less than an hour. So now I will share with you the 5 steps na ginagawa ko whenever I publish my books on Amazon KDP. Step number 1 is to find a tool to use. So personally, ang ginagamit ko na tool is BookBolt AI. By the way, when you register to Amazon KDP, it's completely free, wala kayong babayaran. Kaya personally, nag-invest na lang ako sa ibang tool na pwedeng makatulong sa akin when creating my books. And it's called BookBolt AI. What I like about BookBolt AI is nandito na lahat ng kailangan ko na tools, from researching for the keywords, spying my competitors' products, and even designing my book. Nandito na lahat sa BookBolt. So dito na lang ako nag-invest kasi wala naman akong binayaran when I created my Amazon KDP account. There are 2 things you can do with BookBolt AI. You can do the research, and after doing some research, pwede ka nang mag-design ng product mo inside the BookBolt. So first is, since we have found out our tool, the next thing we're going to do is choosing what to sell. There are 3 main types of books. Number 1, low content books. Ito yung mga minimal lang yung text, or minsan blank pages pa nga, or repetitive yung mga pages. Ibig sabihin, wala masyadong laman yung libro na to, kundi sometimes mga lines, mga grids lang yung laman niya. Examples ito are journals, planners, and notebooks. Another is yung medium content books naman. Ito naman yung may mga structured content siya, pero hindi ninyo kailangan na magkaroon ng heavy reading. So dito may mga konting text siya, like yung mga puzzle books, activity books, and coloring books. And the third one is yung high content books. Dito naman is yung mga full-length books with extensive written content. So examples nito yung mga novels, biographies and memoirs, cookbooks, and recipe collections. So these are some of the examples lang ng 3 main types of books. And in this video, I'm going to create low content books. So gagawa tayo ng low content book. It could be a journal planner or notebook, and there's a lot more. So instead na hulaan natin kung ano yung bestseller na low content book sa Amazon KDP, what we're going to do is we're going to use BookBolt AI. So dito, gagamitin natin yung kanilang research feature. First is let's go to cloud and let's try to see kung ano yung top 100 bestsellers. So I always choose top 100. And then for the BSR, no worries about this. Ito yung kasi yung tinatawag na bestsellers rank. Pero minsan kahit medyo mababa yung rank niya, selling well pa din naman yung product. So I don't care much about the BSR. So dito tayo sa category, you can choose, ito yung mga categories like notebooks, journals, etc. And then we can also choose yung price range. So for this one, hindi ko na siya ginagalaw. What we're going to do is, let's try to see kung ano yung mga bestsellers under the notebook category. So you just have to click search. And then below that, you will see some data and yung results ng mga top 100 bestsellers under the notebook category. So, kukuha lang tayo ng idea dito kung ano yung mga pwede nating ibenta. And what I like about this is dito, may mga details na siya from the title, kung sino yung author, and kung ano yung kanyang price. So, it's 5.87 or estimated monthly sales. So, ito yung mga tinitingnan ko dito. So, ayaw naman natin magbenta ng mga products na walang masyadong sales. So, ang gagawin natin is titingnan natin etong product na to. So, this will just serve as our guide. So, ito yung mga kinukuha ko na data. The type of product, and then yung kanyang interior pages or yung loob na pages ng notebook na to ay grid paper notebook quad ruled. So, ito makikita natin mamaya sa BookBolt ito. Actually, wala akong idea kung ano tong mga to. Buti na lang talaga nag-subscribe ako sa BookBolt kasi guided talaga even the sizes doon sa loob ng BookBolt. And then, it's 100 sheets, 100 pages. And then, yung size niya is 8.5 by 11. Now, let's go back to BookBolt. So, since we have decided na gusto nating gamitin is yung graph paper composition. So, copy lang natin yan. And then, let's go to products and let's try to analyze kung ano yung mga designs na ginagamit for a graph paper composition notebook. So, type lang natin yan and then click search. And there you go. Makikita natin dito yung results data. So, in general, there are 100 results. And then, yung lowest price is $3.90. Yung highest price is $9.99. The average price is $6.49. So, I would always go sa average price or around the average price. I would sell it for $7 or basta hindi siya tataas sa highest price and hindi naman sobrang baba na gaya ng sa lowest price. So, titingnan natin ngayon yung mga designs na ginamit or kung ano ba yung mga covers ng mga products under the composition notebook. Since nakapag-decide na tayo, nagagawa tayo ng graph paper notebook, the next thing we're going to do is to design the book. So, let's go back to the BookBolt AI. And since nandito tayo ngayon sa research, we are going to click on create and let's start designing our notebook. So, ang gagawin natin is to choose the project type. So, in this case, ang pipiliin ko is the paperback. Kasi pag yung hardcover, medyo expensive yung notebook. And mostly ng mga gumagawa ng mga notebook sa Amazon KDP is paperback yung ginagamit nila. And then for the project name, so nilagay ko lang dito, Graph Composition Notebook. And the trim size, since dun sa previous na nakita natin na composition notebook or graph paper composition notebook is 8.5 by 11. So, yun yung gagamitin natin dito. 8.5 by 11, but there are some other options here. And then, ang pipiliin natin for the interior and paper type is black and white interior, white paper lang sa akin. And then, yung bleed. I-check nyo lagi yung bleed kasi remember, Amazon will print the notebook for you. So, naglalagay tayo ng bleed para magkaroon ng allowance dun sa gilid niya. Just in case hindi ma-print out, okay lang naman. Tapos, for the page count, 100 pages, since yun yung nakita natin dun sa previous na listing kanina. And once you're done, you just have to click on Create Project. And then, it will take you to the studio, BookBolt Studio na tinatawag natin. So, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na gustong-gusto ko sa BookBolt AI kasi you are guided with this one. So, may mga guides na din siya dito. Dito sa left, sa right part is ito yung tinatawag natin na front cover, and then yung nasa left part naman is the back cover. So we are just going to design this one. So pwede naman ninyong gamitin yung available editing options dito. There are a lot. Let's say if you want to choose ito, mamili kayo ng color na gusto nyo and then just click OK. So, kung mapapansin niyo hindi nag-appear siya dito sa preview, pero dito hindi siya nag-appear. So, ang gagawin lang natin, click on this one and then i-hide nyo lang yung cover. And then, the next thing we're going to do is to add designs here. You can also upload your photos kung meron kayong available na photos dyan and yun yung gusto nyong gamitin for the front cover ay okay lang naman. So, ayan, naglagay lang ako dito ng different designs. So, nag-upload lang ako dito coming from another platform. Dito sa loob ng BookBolt AI, pwede kayo maglagay ng mga different shapes. So, let's say you want it this one and then i-edit lang ninyo yung color kung ayaw ninyo ng may color yung loob. And then for the line, you can add it here. Let's say I want it to be in white. And then, dagdagan lang natin siya ng 0.5 and then just click OK. And then, adjust lang natin dito. Or if you want to make it a little bit thicker, so we can also do this one. Okay, so in this case, okay na to sa akin. You can also add some text here. So you can add a headline. So it's a graph paper. So lagay lang natin graph paper. And then you can change the font color and even the font style. So I will just finish the cover and then we will go and create the interior pages. Ayan, so nakagawa na tayo ng cover. The next thing we're going to do is punta tayo dun sa interior pages na. So dito sa interior pages, i-click nyo lang ito and then may mga interior templates na available dito. So pwede kayong mag-type dito ng keyword and then mag-a-appear siya dito. So in this case, since it's a graphing notebook, meron na siyang available na graph dito. And we are just going to click on that. And then, ito yung nakita natin kanina dito na tinatawag na ayan, the quad ruled or ito yung 4x4 na tinatawag. So, yan yung graph paper, 4x4, 5x5. So, dito tayo sa 4x4, no? So, next is, since there are 100 pages and gusto natin na puro grid lines lang yung laman ng 100 pages na yon, may options dito kung gusto niyo specific lang na page ang gawin natin na graph. The rest is lined notebook na, pwede naman yon. Pero since it's a graph notebook, we are just going to select all and then i-deselect lang natin yung cover kasi ayaw naman nating lagyan ng graph yung cover. And then, you just have to click continue to options. And then, yung line width, hindi ko na to gagalawin kasi this is the default. Baka magkaroon pa ng problema kasi hindi ako sure sa mga sizes. And then, just click submit. And then, let's just wait for it na makopy yung graph na yon sa lahat ng pages. And right now is still naglo-load pa rin siya. Ayan. So, when we go to the second page, next page, ayan. So, lahat na to from page 1 up to 100 ay graph na. So, it's very easy, no? Hindi na natin kailangan mag-copy-paste ng page para lang makopy at magkaroon tayo ng 100 pages. Dito, i-apply nyo lang sa all pages and then we're good to go. Now, since we're done with our notebook, ang gagawin natin is we are just going to download. So, printed books. Ito yung lagi nating pipiliin, yung download current project si MYK printed books. Click nyo lang yan and then mada-download na siya sa computer ninyo. And right now, we are on the last step, which is publishing on Amazon KDP. After publishing this one, again, you have to wait for 72 hours before Amazon could actually publish your notebook. So, magiging ganito na yung itsura niya. So, para malaman mo kung live na siya, makikita mo dito is live. Pero ngayon, naka-in review pa siya kasi nga, ay hinihintay pa natin yung approval ni Amazon. Kapag naman na-publish na siya, makaka-receive kayo ng email na katulad nito. Pag na-publish naman siya, makaka-receive kayo ng email from Amazon na live na yung product ninyo and pwede na siyang makita ng mga buyers ninyo. And you know what? Hindi siya ganon kadali. Lalo na nung first month ko, talagang I have zero sales kasi I really use my time para pag-aralan ng mabuti yung about sa Amazon KDP just to make sure na wala akong magiging problema, most especially dun sa rights. Okay, baka makopyright kasi ako, magkaroon pa ako ng problema. Take note, 23 books pa lang itong na-publish ko. And how much more if I create more books? So, more chances na magkaroon pa ng mas mataas na royalties kung sisipagan lang natin siya na gumawa. So, my final thoughts is, this method definitely works, but success depends on a few key factors. Number one, choosing a book type that sells well. So, hindi kayo basta-basta gagawa ng product. Kailangan ninyong i-research kung ano yung mga high demand, low competition na mga products. You have to also create a strong brand. So, yung pag sinabi kong strong brand, it could be the way how you design your product. May consistency ba dun sa mga type of products na ginagawa ninyo? And third is using the right keywords and categories to get found. So, very important talaga yung pag-create ng keywords. So, if you want to try yung BookBolt, alam ba ninyo that BookBolt is offering 20% discount if you use my code. Ilalagay ko na lang dito sa screen, and then yung link dun sa BookBolt is ilalagay ko na lang din dito sa description. So if you want to more videos about Amazon KDP, let me know in the comment section, and see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe.